Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you this hairstyle real quick, and it is fairly simple and similar to the last one that I did. It just haven't got any braids on it. So yeah, that's the only difference. But even though it is as simple as it is, it does look really good. And this is the simplest hairstyle you can make in the minimum amount of time, which looks this good. So all you need to make this hairstyle is a rubber band and a comb. That's it. You don't need anything else, and 5 minutes of your time. So in this hairstyle, I've got a ponytail above my head in the crown area, and for this ponytail I gathered my hair from around here to the back of my head, if you can see that, and I used a comb to gather the hairs as cleanly as possible, which is not according to my liking, because if you know me, I like messy hairstyles more. But anyways, this is how I gathered my hair for this ponytail. And then I've got hairs in the front of my ear and in the back as well. Same thing for the other side. This hairstyle is completely symmetric, unlike the previous one, and still it looks really good. So you can wear this hairstyle if you are in a hurry and you don't want to let your hair open due to some reasons, whatever that reason may be. You can do this hairstyle. Just use a comb to gather up all your hair in the crown area and use a rubber band to tie it up. Then it will look something like this, and then just let your remaining hair stay on their natural position, as I have done here. So naturally these strands of hair would like to fall in front of my ear, as you can see. So I've just let them stay here. Doing this will make your hairstyle look more natural and more attractive as well. Okay, so in this video I just wanted to show you this hairstyle you can do in just 5 minutes, which is fairly simple and easy to do. So that's it for this one. Also, if you guys are interested in more hair related videos, definitely go check out my channels, as I've got some more videos there. And if you guys have any questions of your own, you can always ask me on Instagram. The link will be down in the description to my profile. Okay, so see you guys in the next video.